This one's for 70 subscribers and everybody out there supporting me in my channel. You guys are my each and everything. And we decided to celebrate it by showing off this new smoke detector I got. Yep, it's a new one I got from my dad's rental property. Take the mount off. As you can see, the model is, one second, KN-COXM-B, and it's from 2011. This thing was actually brand new in box when I found it. It was in a kitchen drawer in my dad's rental properties. So with that being said, let's go ahead and give it a test. And it talks to
fire, fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
And it's a carbon monoxide alarm too. That was just its end of testing chirp. So, thank you all for 70 subscribers, and I will see you next time. And by the way, I decided to get rid of the wolf ears and do this hat instead. Just someone's request, so, yep. I'll see you.